Hello, in this video I'm going to tell you how to build an audience, and the easiest way to do it is to use Facebook, because Facebook is a platform made to share it. So first I want to tell you that having an audience is the most important thing you can do if you are in business, if you want to earn money. So how we earn money is by serving people. We need to find an audience that we want to serve and then serve them. We need to know who we want to serve, and we need to find out what they want to buy. Zig Ziglar has a quote that he always said it in all his books and in audios, and it's that you can have everything you want in life if you will just help enough other people get what they want. So again, you can have everything you want in life. If you will just help enough other people get what they want. So by having an audience, by knowing who you want to serve, and then we can give them what they want, sell them what they want. So we'll be providing value for them, and in return we'll be earning money, making money. So the easiest way is using Facebook, because that's a platform used for sharing. So you can create a Facebook page around a topic that your audience likes. For example, around fitness, around weight loss, around motivation and success. And you need to create content, and it's not an easy, it's not like an overnight thing, something that's going to happen in a day or in a month, but it takes time. But everything worthwhile takes time. If somebody tells you that you can be rich in one night or in 1 month, run away from them, because that's not true. We need something that is going to be sustainable in the long term, a real business. And the easiest is Facebook. And so you need to create content around your topic, and then you need to share it and ask people to share it, and then people are going to start joining. And the fastest way to do it, and it's only possible with Facebook, this easy, is to use ads, Facebook ads, so that you can invite other people to join your group, and you can invite them for really cheap, especially if you pay for countries that are not the US or Canada or the UK. So for example, South Africa or other places where they speak English, like Australia, even it's kind of expensive, or like the Philippines. So you can get really cheap ads right now with Facebook. It's 2019. Maybe it's not going to be like this in the future, but that's how you can create an audience. Then once you have an audience, also you can do it with YouTube or with Instagram. Those two are really great platforms. But once you have an audience, or you start growing your audience, you need to build a fan base of email list. You need to build a list of emails from your customers, your client, your audience. So to do this, you need to create something of value, something really good. That's how it is going to work, or maybe a few things. So for example, I'm going to be doing this right now. Well, not right now in this moment, but in these days. So creating an email list of people about my topic. Something that I'm passionate about is success and motivation. And I'm going to create what it's called a lead magnet. So it's something that your audience will benefit from, like a book, an ebook, or maybe like an audio program, or a course, or something that will be valuable to them, and give your product free to them. But it needs to be good. So if it's not good, your audience isn't going to like it, and they're not going to keep on following you or opening your emails. It needs to be something good. So I learned from Russell Brunson from clickfunnels.com. That guy is a master marketer. So he says that we need to create really great offers. So instead of only offering, for example, for me, instead of only offering like the 10 success principles of the richest people in the world, for example, I can say on a sales page, and a sales page online, I can say, would you like to know the 10 secrets the richest people in the world use? What Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, what's the name of the guy from Facebook? Zuckerberg have in common, Oprah. And then I can say, well, I put together the 10 principles they have used in their lives, and I want to give it to you for free. Just tell me where to send it, put your email right here, and I'll send it to you. So I can do that, no? Offer a really good guide or ebook, and then have a really nice cover in there, something that is valuable that I could sell online and make money from it, but I want to give it to them so that I'll get their email. But instead of only offering that one thing, I can offer them more things. So I can also say, and also I can send you, or I can, and also if you decide to get this free gift, you can be part of a secret Facebook group where a lot of entrepreneurs and business owners hang out and share inspiring stories and motivational quotes, so that you can be around successful people to be inspired into continuing on taking action. So you'll get the PDF with the 10 principles of the richest people in the world, like Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Oprah Winfrey, blah blah. And also you'll get access to a secret Facebook group where a lot of really successful entrepreneurs and business owners hang out and share inspiring stories. And that's not all. If you take advantage on this offer right now, because it isn't going to be available forever, you can also get and then offer them another great thing. No? So for example, so you can get my free program on how to be on a peak state, all the secrets I learned from neuro-linguistic programming, things like what Tony Robbins teaches. So how to get on a peak state, to be at your best and take the most action, no? And get the results you want. So you'll get the 10 principles of success. You'll get access to my private Facebook group with super achievers, and remember that you are the average of the 5 people you hang around with. So join this group. You can create a mastermind group in here, and then also you'll get this other thing, and also you'll get this other thing, no? So have a really strong offer, some really good stuff, so that people, when they say, oh, they'll be like, oh wow, blah, 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 I'll join, no? And they'll send you their email, and then they'll get the stuff, and then if it's really good, it will help them in their life, no? Change their lives. and then they'll trust you, no? And then so you'll start building your email list. So again, we're talking about how to build an audience that you can serve. We're not trying to take from them, we're trying to serve them. And it's a law of in the universe, like the law of cause and effect. So if you're going to create value, there's no way that you cannot benefit from it, from giving value to others, helping other people, like Zig Ziglar said. Yeah. So, but the best thing you do is to create an email list. So that, because we don't control things like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, if they want to close our accounts, if there's a misunderstanding, or if they just decide to close, to sell their business, and then they can, and they have done this to some people with audiences. They just close their accounts, and then you lose your following on that platform, no? But if you have an email list, then you control that. You're able to send them emails, so I'm going to continue. So when you have an audience in email lists, we can do email marketing. So the way to do this, as I have learned, is to give them as much value as possible. So if they signed up for success and motivation tips, then we need to give them the best value we can, so that they are engaged with our brand, with our business. So for example, for me, I'm going to give them the best things I can, no? So for example, I can hire a professional to write a book on the best morning ritual principles to get in your life, so that you can be unstoppable during the day and during your life, and then give it to them for free, no? And maybe they can get it for free, and then I can sell it later, no? And also maybe I can get some reviews, no? If they got it for free before I published it. And then maybe if you have a program, you can give it to them for free. And then if you see something really good that they can benefit from it, you can tell them, hey, well, this program is amazing, this book is great, follow this person, he knows, he's really he's the real deal, he knows what he talks about. And just give them as much information, great information, valuable information that will help them get to their outcome, to their goals. So if your audience is about building muscle, then you will give them the best routines, you will tell them the best things you are learning, like for example, the foods you need to avoid, no? Or the foods you need to include in your meals for maximal muscle growth, no? Or the best exercises, no? Or the best programs. And then later, once you have your audience, then it's easy to monetize it, because all we need to do is give them what they want. So you can create a program around what they want, or you can use affiliate marketing and recommend something from someone else that they can benefit from, and then maybe you'll get a commission from it. And or you can some people use paid, they pay people with audiences to promote their products or something. So there's different ways to monetize an audience, but the most important thing is your audience, to give them things that they will benefit from. Because if they don't, then they're going to stop following you, no? They're going to not open your emails, no? So it's a win-win. You give them what they want, and then in return, you will benefit from it. Even if it's not from your audience, you will still benefit from it. That's a law in the universe. So I hope you like this video. If you liked it, subscribe, share it, and I'll see you in the next video.